In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the scroll bar from your Wix website using CSS. This is a handy trick for anyone who wants to create a cleaner, more streamlined look for their site, particularly when their design doesn't require vertical scrolling. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, head over to your Wix site dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage everything related to your website, from design elements to technical settings. Once you're at your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section. You can find this in the main menu, typically on the left side of the screen. From there, click on Advanced, and then on Custom Code. This is where we'll be making the changes necessary to remove the scroll bar. Now, look for the option to add a new custom code snippet. This is an important step, as it will allow you to input the specific CSS code that will hide the scroll bar for you. You don't have to worry about creating this code from scratch. I've got it ready for you to simply copy and paste. Once you've created the new custom code area, go ahead and paste the following CSS code into the designated spot. This code is specifically designed to target the scroll bar and make it disappear, allowing your page to appear without one, providing you with that sleek, polished look. The next step is crucial. Make sure to configure your custom code settings properly. You'll want this code to load only once to avoid any unnecessary reloading or delays, so select that option. Also, set it to place the code at the body end. This ensures that the code executes after all the other elements on your page have loaded, minimizing the risk of any loading issues or visual discrepancies. Once you've double-checked these configurations, go ahead and click Apply. This action saves your changes and implements the CSS code on your site. You might not see a difference right away in the editor, but when you preview or publish your site, the scroll bar will no longer be visible. This little tweak can make a world of difference in presenting a professional and seamless website experience. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to remove the scroll bar from your Wix site using CSS. With this technique, you can ensure your website design remains clean and visually appealing without the distraction of a scroll bar. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you achieve the perfect look for your site.